Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Blogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Happy Mini Monday. Once again, been pretty consistent, so I'm proud of myself. Making changes to everything over here. It's just been chaos, but I think it's working itself out. I do have some cash that we're going to stuff into our Mini Mondays, and so let's see what we have. 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I have $30 that I'm working with today. Good little solid number for me. I like it. I like it a lot. Do I wish it was triple or double? Yes, I do, but that's what I'm working with, so that's what we're going to make happen today. So let's see. How are we going to do this? How are we going to do this? Well, I think what we should do is just roll the dice and see which savings challenge, how much each savings challenge is going to get. We do need to get some change for this 10, I think. Well, let's just get started. Let's do that. Yeah. $1. $1. Oh. And I don't have any change, so we're already needing dollars. And let's see here. We're going to have to take care of this one here. And we will go over where I got these savings challenges from at the end when we do a final tally. But apparently, because I'm not prepared, I'm going to be in and out of these, and we'll figure it out. Next one, $6. Oh, we can carry that. Okay, this one is a scratch and save. Scratch and saves, they raise my blood pressure. $5. Okay. Okay, that's good. Do I have change in it? Do I have change? Because this one I don't have to worry about marking off. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do. Okay. Whew. Scratch and saves. I'm telling you, they're something else. They're not as smooth as I would like for them to be. All right, let's see here. Oh, my kid is like pretending like he's crying because he's losing a game. So funny. Oh, okay, 3. All right, 6. Uh-oh. 5. Okay, so we need a total of $7. Okay, that works. 7. Okay. Next up, we have $1. Okay. Oh, scratch. We're scratching it. We're scratching it. Oh, gosh. Small, tiny, 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 tiny. $5. I'm glad I have it, boy, but geez, girlfriend, set me up. We have $2 left. Let's see what we are able to do. Let's see this. No, because this one has two scratches left. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and we'll figure this out as we go. This saving challenge is from Ellie on Earth. I did receive it from her mailing list. And so far I have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27 doll hairs. Fantastic. I usually shy away from the scratch and saves because they're, especially from other shops, because you don't know, how, especially like in this one doesn't say the exact amount you're going to save. This savings challenge I got from Budget for Success. Yeah, so good vibes only. That's her. We have $5, $6, $7 we're adding here. And I don't remember what I rolled on the first one and then the second roll. So how about that was $7. I always do 4 and 3 because I don't remember, and I'm not going to go back and check it to edit it and all that. So 4, 3, that equals 7. All right. Looks good to me. So this savings challenge so far has saved me $10, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, $20, $21. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? All right, so we are adding $5, $6, $7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This savings challenge is from Books and Finances, and it was a collaboration with Budget with PJ. Looking good. So close on this one. So we have $10, $15, $16, $17. All right, and this savings challenge is from Batty Bankroll, and we are adding $3 here. 1, 2, 3. All right, so this savings challenge has saved me $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, which is awesome. So I have to make a decision. I have $2 here, and I don't like to pull out any other savings challenges until I complete the savings challenges I'm working with, because it helps me stay focused on my goals. However, I did receive this goodie earlier in the month. It is a roll and save, but I think what I'm going to do is I will use whatever money I have left over. Like in this situation, I will just mark it $1. This savings challenge is from Carter Blues. She also reached out to me via email and said, hey, I'm going to send you something. I did take a photo of what I received in the mail. Oh, and okay, let me show you. This is the dice that came with it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I got some other savings challenges and the cutest little notebooks. Let me show you. I'm just going to show you. All right, so I got this little notebook here, and all right, so I got these little notebooks from her, and then these savings challenges, and these ones I haven't even opened yet. I was like, oh my goodness, how am I going to make this happen? I need to be saving. But these ones came, and they were with this little dice, and she sent me a beautiful thank you card. So let me just, Wanda, thank you. Carter Blues, thank you. I appreciate when people send me goodies. Cassie can tell you I'm obsessed with Happy Mail, but it's really nice to have other people say, hey, you know, I have something maybe you would be able to enjoy. And she did mention in her card that she watches my channel and she sees that I like to save money for my boys. So I think what I'm going to do with this one is just, we're going to mark off $1. So then that way, like if I have any money left over, or, you know, I have something I can work with, I think I want to, no, we're not going to do a scratch. We're not going to do a scratch, but I don't even know what's down there. I'm not, I don't even have any more money. Why are you trying to scratch stuff? You don't even have any more money. Okay, so what we'll do is, should I put it in an envelope or should I just leave it in the front? I think I'm going to put it in an envelope. Let's throw this envelope with its markings and everything already on it back here. So then that way I can remember, like, this is my rollover, like my anything I have left over or too much of or whatever. It'll be my catch-all. It'll be what's left over. So let's see how this goes. I love these savings challenges. So, so cute. And it's laminated too, so I can clean it off and reuse it. But you guys, we did it. We made it through Mini Mondays. We saved some money. I'm so glad about it. Thank you so much for coming back, you guys. I truly, truly appreciate all of you supporting my channel. And feel free to run a playlist. I say that because it does help a lot, especially because of my financial status. I do appreciate you all supporting my channel and helping me to reach my goals of getting a YouTube paycheck. So also, if you are new to my channel, let me know down below so we can get acquainted. Sometimes people shy away from communicating with me, but I don't mind at all. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.